Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products to help you make the right choice. Today, we're talking about what we consider the best wired smoke and carbon monoxide alarm on the market. The Kidde Hardwired Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector with battery backup. This life-saving device is a must-have for every home. It combines smoke and carbon monoxide detection into one unit, giving you the peace of mind you need. No more worrying about whether you have two separate alarms, as this single unit does the job of both, making it a more cost-effective solution. What makes the Kidde Hardwired Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector stand out is its reliable performance. It's powered by your home's 120 volts AC electrical system, meaning it stays connected to power at all times, while two batteries provide backup during power outages. These batteries are included with your purchase, so you're ready to go right out of the box. One of the standout features of this detector is its enhanced sensing technology. It reduces the number of false alarms, which is a common problem with many detectors, especially when you're cooking. It's also been thoroughly tested and meets the latest UL standards, including UL 217 9th edition and UL 2034 4th edition. This means you can trust it to work when you need it most. The Kidde detector also offers interconnectivity. What this means is that when one alarm sounds, all alarms connected to the system will go off, alerting you and your family faster to any danger, whether it's smoke or carbon monoxide. This model also comes with a self-testing feature, ensuring the detector is always in working condition. While it automatically checks itself, it's still recommended to press the test button weekly to confirm everything's running smoothly. Plus, there are 3 LED lights to show the status of the alarm. Green means normal operation, amber indicates an operating error, and red means smoke or carbon monoxide has been detected. You'll also find a convenient test and hush button, allowing you to test the unit and silence false alarms when necessary. This is incredibly helpful, especially in situations like cooking where smoke can set off the alarm. Kidde provides a 10-year limited warranty with this detector, starting from the moment it's powered on. This is a huge benefit, as it guarantees that your device will last and remain functional for a decade. In terms of installation, the Kidde detector is easy to mount on your ceiling. It's compact, with dimensions of just 5 inches in width and 1.88 inches in depth, so it won't take up too much space or interfere with the design of your home. To sum up, the Kidde Hardwired Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector is an exceptional choice for anyone looking to enhance their home's safety. Its reliable hardwired power source, combined with battery backup, interconnectivity, and self-testing features, makes it the best choice for smoke and carbon monoxide detection in your home. If you want to stay safe and protect your loved ones, this is the detector you need. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on the best products out there. Stay safe.